Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are using the Narzo 90 and I'll show you how to control notification settings on your phone. Before moving ahead, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. So now let's begin.